How to download PocketGuard on PC. Want to use PocketGuard on your computer? Great idea. Let's walk through how to get it set up. First things first, since PocketGuard is designed for the phones, we need a little help to run it on the PC. We are going to use something called an Android stimulator. Think of it like creating a phone screen right on your computer. BlueStack is one of the popular and free options. Go ahead and type BlueStack download on your browser like this. Then go inside the BlueStack website. So this is the logo of BlueStack and this is how the BlueStack should look like. Simply tap on this download BlueStack over here, tap on it, and that will start downloading your BlueStack. So once it is downloaded, run the installer. Just follow the on-screen instruction and it's pretty straightforward. I'm not going to show you the process because I already do have downloaded BlueStacks on my PC. So I'll be directly going to BlueStack. And now let's open the BlueStack. So my BlueStack is opening. So this is how the BlueStack look like. Now what I have to do is simply tap the search bar over here and type for the Play Store because we are going to download the mobile version of PocketGuard. Then tap on it. Okay, so my Play Store is opening. So this is exactly how the Play Store look like. Now simply tap on this search icon over here. Tap on it and search for PocketGuard. Like this. So due to the re-extraction, I don't have a original PocketGuard over here. However, let me show how the original PocketGuard look like. Let me search a PocketGuard here. So if your country supports this PocketGuard, you will be seeing the PocketGuard on your Play Store, not like what I have saw on my Play Store before. Let's go to it. PocketGuard. Just tap on it. So these are the results. So this is the official sign of PocketGuard and this is how the PocketGuard should look like. Let's tap on it and let me show how it look like. So it's not showing. Let me show the app, Google app for you then. So this is how the PocketGuard app look like. And as I said earlier, if your country supports, so you will be able to download this one. So this is the original logo of PocketGuard. So don't be confused on other app with the similar name. So this is how the app should look like. And as I said earlier, this app is not available for any of my devices due to the country extraction. The process of downloading is similar. You should open the BlueStack, then go to the Play Store, and after going to the Play Store, just search for PocketGuard and tap on install as we do on our mobile phone. And once it's downloaded, you can open the PocketGuard right here in the BlueStack. And once it's installed, you can open PocketGuard in the BlueStack and log in just like you do on your phone. Pretty easy. Now you can manage your finances on your PC too. Let me know in the comments if you have any question. Lastly, if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.